I am excited to show you my Farmhouse Market. I'm calling it a recipe slash coupon folio. There is one hinge in it, but I'm still going to call it a folio. This book measures 6 by 9, and it has a 2.5-inch spine. The front here is, there's a pocket on the bottom because I thought maybe if you wanted to stick a recipe card in there or something you could, and it would be easier to see. But I just glued a clothespin on that I had and put some of the cut aparts in. I added some of my trim, flowers, stickers. This is a chipboard sticker with another chipboard sticker on top. I had some flowers in my stash with some flat back iridescent back, so you can see them in the light hopefully. On the spine I just put one of the chipboard pieces, and then the back is the paper. I love that paper. Now when you look at this book from the top, it's a little bit different. I made it so that it could stand up so that when you are cooking, if you want to put a recipe out, you can look at it easier. So that's why you'll see this thickness here, and you'll understand it more when I open it. I do have the black and white gingham tie closure on the side here. This is what it looks like from the side. So let me go ahead and open it and show you what is inside. Now because it has one spine or one page in it, it does kind of stand up a little bit, but this is using Tammy's technique for wrapping the book, and so even though it sticks up a little bit, it's still going to be easy to work with. So on this front cover I made this with some acetate in it, but my thinking was that you could put an index card or recipe card inside and it would be protected when you're cooking. Again, you can set this up so that when you're cooking it does stand up straight like so, and it would be easy to see. So this is a flap that opens. Now on the top I did leave a place for a picture. I thought that would be good for a picture of my mom or my grandma, or you know, holiday cooking picture or something. Now this is 1 1/8, no, this is 1 inch or 1 1/8. I'll have to look at my notes, but this is quite a large gusset, but that's because it, for these boxes to hold recipe cards. Now I'm not a big cook, so I just randomly write down recipes that I see, and so this is perfect for me. I have the categories of casseroles and soups on this one, and like I said, you can slide in cards, but also I made it magnetic so it does pull out, so you can get to the cards easier. And that's on both of those. So this holds standard size note cards. So then the page here, I thought this would be a good spot for coupons as I find things that I need, food related coupons, and I just put a paper clip there to hold it easier, and that's true on the other side also. Now the end does open, and I had a traveler's notebook just that I altered real quick so that I could write down like grocery lists of the things that I needed. And I did not do the inside, but it was green already, so that was the perfect color. So I just used some of the paper and stickers, and that's just going to slide in here on the end. All right, now the other side mimics the left, so I have a place for a recipe to hold with the acetate, and it's open at the top. When you open this one, it also has a place for a picture. And then this is desserts and side dishes, and you can just slide your note cards in, or you can open them so that you have easier access to them because they are magnetically closed. So then this just folds up, and you can store it on your counter because it does stand up nice and neat, and once it's tied, it's, you know, a little bit tighter fit, but I'm really happy with how it turned out, and it's something that I think I'm really going to use because I geared it towards my cooking, which is very nil. I don't really need cookbooks. I just need my favorite recipes here and there. So there will be a tutorial for this. This is the Farmhouse Market paper by Cartabella, and you can get it from countrycraftcreations.com. There will be a tutorial coming. I got to work on that next. But hopefully you enjoy the layout and the idea, and that you love this paper as much as I do. So stay tuned for a tutorial, and I hope all of you are enjoying your day. Thanks for watching.